This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance. We watched some video of them having a small, tiny flat plate to press against the rod rod, which we didn't have in our bag of
tricks.
Yeah. So I was just wondering if there's a video you can tell me, like I can go to sort of watch it, like how to do this.
Well, what are you trying to do? Just simply install it?
Yeah, we're just trying to install it.
So step one, did your installer read the instructions?
Yes, and we read it together, and I have the whole thing here. Yeah, the plates, it's not that clear where the plates go, how they go. It's not that clear. So, but we figured it out because we watched the video, and then when we watched the video, they talked about another small short plate that's supposed to, and we don't have that in our, I don't know, we don't have that plate at all. So I don't know. We watched a National Guard W222WHA video with Richard and Howard.
Was he blabbing on constantly, continually? He's just talking and talking and talking.
No, it was really good actually. But then he showed us the bracklets where they go on. That's what we were like. Okay, we got that. And then he showed us this small, little, tiny flat plate that we don't have. That's supposed to hit the rod, and we're like, okay, that we don't have.
Is the frame made of wood?
Yes.
Okay, so you're definitely going to want something on the jamb so that when the drop bolt makes contact with the stop so that it's not gouging into your wood over time. At the end of the day, what some manufacturers do is they just supply a really large, like a number 12 or a number 14, really short wood screw, and they want you to drill, countersink, and install that wood screw so every time the bolt hits the jamb, it's hitting that piece of metal. So anyway, so you can emulate that. So what I'm saying is you can go back to whomever supplied it to you and say, I'm missing this part.
I did. And they were like, what? We don't know what you're talking about. So they sent me to a video of install, which is still not clear.
So you'll know who you're going to buy it from next time. So at the end of the day, just because they don't know what you're asking for, it does not relieve them of the obligation of supplying a complete unit. So so I can either give you advice as to how to not have to deal with them, or I could also say, you need to call National Guard. I bought this from the Acme widget company. They have no idea what I'm talking about, even though your instructions in the video are clear. You could ask them if they'll just send you a Goodwill no-charge replacement. Just mail it to you.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day...
Just a kit, like a kit with the screws and the plates and stuff?
Well, I would say whatever you're missing, but if you email them...
That's all I'm missing. It's like silly little plate. I think it is, it's a tiny little plate.
And it's for the frame.
It's for that rod supposedly to hit when the door...
So it's going to install on the frame, correct?
Right.
So any piece of little metal that you put on there, let's say that you had, imagine if you had a dime and you drilled a hole in it and you screwed that dime to your frame. That's all you're looking to emulate. You just don't want that piece of metal hitting your wood over time. It'll create a divot. Right. I would recommend, if you want to make this super easy, you could literally, if your guy is there now, hand him a dime, tell him to drill a hole in the center of it and put a little screw there to just finish the installation. When the proper item comes in, you can actually just swap it out. Now, I don't remember what that piece looks like. It might just be a rectangular piece of aluminum.
Yep. Yes, that's exactly what it is.
I don't remember when I made that video, but it's probably years ago. But you're just looking to emulate that. And if it was me,
Okay.
I would probably skip over the people that you bought it from. Call National Guard directly and say, I'm just missing the Jam Strike. Would you please mail that to me?
The Jam Strike it's called. I don't even know what it's called. Okay, the Jam Strike.
And I would and tell them who you bought it from, and just say, these guys just don't know what I'm talking about. They're not hardware people like Rich Howard is.
Is that you?
It is me.
It was you were the only person. You're the only. There was some other people that were just not getting to the point, and more like. And then I was like, your video, and like the contractor, like, finally, someone's just showing us the plate, telling us where it goes. That's fantastic. And then I told the Sound Cows where I ordered the stuff from, and they're like, we don't know who that guy is. I was like, okay. I'm like, he's the only one that's been helpful, actually. So, but we didn't even know what it's called because the instructions don't even refer to it as the Jam Strike. They don't even talk about it or include it, which is really weird. Okay.
So on the installation instructions, they definitely call it just strike plate, Jam Strike. You attach it to the jam. It is called a strike plate. It's in line 8 of the installation instructions, and National Guard are really good people, and I would be surprised if they didn't mail one to you. There is no 8 on my product. It stops at 7. In my website, if you search 222SA and then click on any of the National Guard items and then click on it, right side, scroll down, installation, click that link. Okay. That's the instructions that I have uploaded, and there is a line 8. Thank you. Thank you very much. You've been super helpful. Okay. Have a great day. Same to you. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up. Please subscribe and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.